So, settling yourself into meditation. Allow the body to soften, releasing as much as you can. Taking your awareness to your breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in, 2, 3, hold it, out, 2, 3. And again, in, 2, 3, hold it, and out, 2, 3. One more time. Breathing in, 2, 3, hold it, and breathing out, 2, 3. Good. So allow yourself to rest in the present, just as it is, right here, right now. Mindfulness is really about experiencing rather than thinking. Instead of becoming caught up in our thoughts about what's happening, we simply rest in the experience itself. The mind naturally puts its own little spin on things, its likes and dislikes, its judgments and opinions, but they're not the experience. They're simply the thoughts about the experience. So for these next few moments, we're simply present with what's here, not bound by thoughts, but immersed in our actual experience. And as we do, we allow our natural state of easefulness and contentment to shine through. If you notice you're becoming caught up in thoughts again, that's okay. Simply guide yourself back to the breathing or the music, or simply noticing the body resting where it is. Mindfulness is simply coming back to the senses so we can rest in our experience. Allow that simple centering to help you soften and release once again into the stillness beyond the boundaries of the mind. And as much as you can, simply letting yourself just be.